There are a lot of people that have chronic jaw pain. A lot of times it's from grinding teeth or other conditions that could be present. But there are a lot of ways to help patients overcome this. One is by teaching them different jaw stretches and exercises. Another option that's very common in the dental office is making custom occlusal guards for them, night guards, some people will call them, so they can wear those at night and just get some decompression and some relaxation in their joints so they can start the healing process and start feeling better again.